In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ribbon layout in PowerPoint. If you want to make PowerPoint feel more comfortable and easier to use, changing the ribbon layout is a quick setting that can make a big difference. The ribbon is the toolbar area at the top of the window where you see tabs and commands like Home, Insert, Design, and more. Depending on your screen size, your workflow, or simply your personal preference, you may want that area to appear in a different layout. To begin, look at the top right area of the PowerPoint window. On the right side, you'll find a small drop-down arrow. This is the control that lets you adjust how the ribbon is displayed. If you don't notice it right away, take a second to scan that upper corner carefully because it can be easy to miss, especially on smaller screens or if your window is not maximized. Once you've found that small drop-down arrow, click on it. This will open a menu with ribbon display options. These options control how much of the ribbon stays visible while you work. This is helpful if you want more space on your screen for editing slides, or if you prefer to keep all your tools visible at all times without extra clicks. From that menu, select a layout. Choose the one that best fits how you like to work in PowerPoint. As soon as you select it, the ribbon layout will update right away, so you can immediately see the difference. If the new layout doesn't feel right, you can always return to the same drop-down menu and choose a different option until you find the one that works best for you. A good tip here is to think about how often you use ribbon commands. If you're constantly switching tools, keeping more of the ribbon visible may save time. If you want a cleaner workspace and more room to focus on your slides, a more compact layout may be the better choice, and that's all it takes to change the ribbon layout in PowerPoint. It's a very simple adjustment, but it can make your workspace feel much more efficient and personalized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.